Hello bachcho, let's read the question, and the question says the function of incomplete cartilaginous rings in human respiratory system is 2. That means the question is asking here कि incomplete cartilaginous rings जो present है हमारे human respiratory system में उसका function क्या है. A दे रखा है हमें protect alveoli from foreign molecule, B दे रखा है that does it support trachea bronchi in initial bronchioles, C दे रखा है harden the terminal ends of bronchiole, and D दे रखा है interconnect bronchioles and alveoli. फाइन. सो क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले की कॉन्सेप्ट जानते हैं हम इसका. इट इज रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट. ओके. अब यहाँ पे हमने अगर हम देखें तो हमारा जो ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम है, सो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ एक्सटर्नल नॉस्ट्रल, then it goes to nasal chamber, then it goes to internal nares, then it goes to pharynx, then after it goes to larynx, then larynx goes to trachea. This is a windpipe. Now this trachea divides into primary bronchus, then the primary bronchus divides into secondary bronchus, then it divides into tertiary bronchus, then the bronchus will then divide into, here you can say this bronchus will then further divide into primary bronchioles. Actually this division is taking place in both sides of the lung, that is right and left side of the lung. Then primary bronchioles divide into secondary bronchioles and then into tertiary bronchioles. Then this bronchiole will ends into alveoli. Fine. Now what happened at our, like from trachea, you can say that from trachea up to the bronchi, that means the mainly trachea से bronchi तक. Fine. हमारे क्या प्रेजेंट ब्रोंकाई भी मतलब आप कह सकते हो up till the end of bronchioles. That means at the end of bronchioles you can say the cartilaginous rings will disappear. So you can say from tertiary to bronchi we'll have incomplete cartilaginous rings present. Incomplete cartilaginous rings present. But this incomplete cartilaginous ring will disappear at the end of bronchioles. At the end of bronchioles. That means it becomes thinner and thinner and thinner due to more and more branching. Fine. Now the question is exactly asking here, okay, what is the function of these incomplete cartilaginous rings? So these incomplete cartilaginous rings, what it does actually, if I talk about the function of these incomplete cartilaginous ring. So these are actually the C-shaped rings. That is, for example, that this is a trachea. So here these rings are present in this manner, C-shaped cartilaginous rings, and also into the primary bronchus. They are present in this manner. Fine. Now what it does, it actually prevents collapsing of trachea and bronchus, or you can say bronchi, during passage of air. Fine. That means even In absence of air, it prevents collapsing of trachea and bronchi. That means what is doing is that if the air is not present inside the trachea, or you can say when the air is passing during exhalation, like during inhalation as well as exhalation, so it is helping the tracheal tubes and bronchial tubes to get collapse, right? So that means it is actually giving support. It is supporting to trachea and bronchi, right? And bronchi में what will come? Bronchi में हमारे पास आ जाते हैं bronchus and actually primary bronchus and bronchioles. You can see. Okay. So let's discuss the options. Now option it is given as that it protect the alveoli from foreign molecule. That is wrong because it is not protecting anything from the foreign substances. It is not acting like an immune system. B, it support trachea bronchi and initial bronchioles. So yes, this is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. C, we are like if we look the option C, harden the terminal ends of bronchial. That is wrong because incomplete cartilaginous ring तो terminal end of bronchial पे उल्टा और बहुत thin हो जाते हैं. So it doesn't make it hard. D option है कि it interconnect the bronchioles and alveoli. That is also wrong क्योंकि bronchial के end पे तो ये खत्म हो जाते हैं, disappear हो जाते हैं. तो ये alveoli से कैसे उसको connect करेंगे? Fine. So we'll go with option B, that it support trachea bronchi and initial bronchioles. So we'll go with answer B. So I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.